Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my healthy diet day vlog. In this video, I am going to share full day diet plan along with meal preparation, healthy oats dosha recipe. Which day you decided to do diet, first take an important decision. Avoid sugar completely. If completely avoid consuming sugar, it helps to decrease healthy weight loss journey. Everyone wants their day start with a positive feel. Most of my day start with this. Good fragrance can alter to improve your mood, promote relaxation, push negative energy from house, let positive energy to move in and radiate to your living space. Drink a glass of warm water after a good night's sleep. Your body is dehydrated. So drinking a large glass of water not only help to rehydrate your body, but it also fuel your brain and help combat the groggy feeling. After 30 minutes again, I take 1 glass of water and adding 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. This drink I suggested to you also. Having apple cider vinegar with water helps manage blood sugar, promote weight loss, make you feel fuller. You can also add lemon juice. It clear out the toxins from the body and aid a fresh start. Today I choose mueslis, fruit and nut for breakfast. Mueslis with milk is good breakfast for weight loss. You can soak mueslis overnight in milk, or if you like crunchy feeling like me, add the milk while having breakfast. It's already contains some fruits and nuts. If you need more, you can add more as your wish. Here I add honey for more sweet, that's optional. Also, I add 1 teaspoon chia seed. Chia seeds are very rich in fiber. I usually soak this in water and keep in my fridge. It's not only a fiber but essential nutrient as well that include protein, omega 3 fatty acid and vitamin B, E. If your goal is lose weight, studies show that whether you eat or skip breakfast has no bearing on number of calories burned. So you must have your breakfast daily in a healthy way. Next, I quickly show you what lunch meal I prepare for my family. Here one of my favorite salad. Let us show how to prepare this. Sprouted salads are more helpful for weight loss. In my opinion about salad recipes, which is your favorite veggies or which is your favorite fruit, you can make your own salad as your taste wise. Of course, all veggies and favorites are healthy, so you can make it on your style. In my salad, I add lettuce, carrot, capsicum, one tomato, and olives. Lettuce is an excellent source of beta carotene which needs for healthy skin, bone and eyes. Carrots are high in fiber, low calorie food loaded with high fiber content. Capsicum is a type of fruit managing blood glucose level. Version of color capsicum is good for salad. Green capsicum is slightly bitter, less sweet to taste as compared to yellow orange version. Tomato improve your immune system, lower your cholesterol level and keep your blood from clotting. One of the main ingredients in this salad is olives. I love the flavor and taste of olives. I bought these olives from Lulu. The soft, fluffy olives marinated in vinegar salt solution. Moderate and enhance the taste of this salad. Healthy salad is ready to eat now. For my lunch, along with the salad, I choose two plain chapatis and side dish sambar and fish pira. Major nutrients needed in your food: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Here I choose chapati as a carbohydrate. It contains good amount of fat. Fish contain proteins. The sambar and salad contain good amount of vitamins and minerals. In tea time, I drank 1 cup of green tea with 3 pieces of honey biscuit. Green tea may also help break down fat cells and increase fat burning rate when combined with exercise. To my dinner, I gonna prepare oats dosha. Oats is high in antioxidant, reduce inflammation, improving heart health. Rolled oats is better to make oats dosha. Here I use cockroach, 2 cup cockroach add to the bowl. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, also known as methi seed. Then soak it in water. The ingredients we needed to make oats dosha is 5 to 6 shallots and 2 green chilies and curry leaves. Shallots are good source of iron, and if you don't have shallots you can use 1 medium onion. The soak oats move to the blender. Add curry leaves for extra flavor. Add chopped shallots and chilies. Then adding salt as required. Add 1 cup water, and I'm gonna blend this until everything is nicely mixed and it becomes into dosha batter consistency. Pour the blended oats dosha batter into bowl. Look the dosha batter consistency. It is neither too thick nor too thin. Leftover batter can be stored in refrigerator and it will stay good for couple of days. And I'm adding here some more coriander leaves. It gives more flavor to oats dosha. Let us start to make crispy oats dosha. Place the pan, grease it with oil, reduce the flame, then pour 1 lateral full of dosha batter. Then drizzle little ghee on it. In a low flame, allow the dosha to turn crispy. When the one side is crispy, you can just flip to other side. Then the next side is crispy, you can serve it with a side dish. I had the oats dosha with leftover sambar and some cut fruits. When you decided it's the time to live healthier lifestyle, you are likely to better long-term result if you start improving your diet and increasing physical activity at the same. Both have huge effect on overall health. Stay healthy and happy. See you with another video. Thank you.